Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a delicious dip. So for this you'll be needing some ground beef, or you can use some ground pork if you wish, or you can mix the two together, but the amount of meat you use is totally up to you. If you like yours meaty, go ahead and add as much meat as you want. If you like yours with less meat, of course you want to use less. And I have 1 block of velveeta cheese. This is the original, and I plan on using this whole thing, maybe. And I have 1 can of Rotel. This is the mild. This is diced tomatoes and green chili, and this is 28-ounce can. And I'm using some oregano, and I have some of my Slap Your Mama seasoning. You guys know I love this. I don't know if I love it because of the name or the taste. And I have some garlic powder, and I also have some onion powder, and I plan on using about a teaspoon of each of these to season my meat. And you will need a crock pot to make this. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Alright guys, you're going to start by having your stove set on medium high, and you want to go ahead and put in your ground beef. And we are going to brown these until they are no longer pink. So just make sure you keep breaking the meat apart so they are not brown, and so they don't get brown in lumps. You don't want big lumps, big chunks like this. So you want to make sure you are breaking it up as it's cooking. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then when I come back we can start seasoning our meats. Okay guys, now that my meat is nice and cooked, I'm going to go ahead and add some of my seasoning in there, and add some of that Slap Your Mama. This is a little spicy, so I won't add as much to this because my kids will be eating this. And just mix it, and just cook this for about a minute. While this is cooking, you want to go ahead and cut your cheese into some cubes, that way it can melt easier. And if you guys haven't, please go like me on Facebook, follow, and please share that Facebook page with everyone. And come follow me on Instagram, come snap with me on Snapchat, and also on Twitter. I will leave the link for those down in the description box for you guys to check out. Okay, now we are ready to cook this in the crock pot. You want to go ahead and take your meat and add it to your crock pot. If you don't have a crock pot, you can definitely do this on a regular pot. I just love doing it in my crock pot, that way I can keep it nice and warm. But if you don't have a crock pot, you don't have to worry about it. You can use a regular pot. And I went ahead and drained some of the water out of my tomatoes and add the whole can to this. And like I said, I cut my cheese into some chunky cubes, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. This is such a nice dip to have over when you are watching football. My family is really big in watching football, so it's Thursday today. We have football going on, so this is why I'm making this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my crock pot and put it either on high or low heat, and basically cook this until the cheese is nicely melted. You want to go ahead and stir it every now and then, just so you can mix the cheese and the meat and the tomatoes together. So I'm going to put this in my crock pot and cook it until it is nicely melted and the cheese is just smooth. Okay guys, my dip is all done. As you can see, my cheese is melted into that ground meat. This is perfect. I'm going to be eating it with some chips, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a piece of my chip and dip it right in there. It have a little spicy kick to it, but nothing too major, nothing that my kids can't handle. But this is perfect for a football night snack. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, again like, and please share these videos with everybody you know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.